Well, imagine never having a moment of silence. Nearly 20 million Americans experience tinnitus, or ringing in the ear. With that in mind, there is a small subset where people hear the sound of their own heartbeat. Michael George introduces us to one patient who'd heard enough.
It almost sounded like I was hearing my heartbeat in my left ear.
Medical assistant Dana Pulciani didn't get a good night's sleep for 13 months, with a constant sound tormenting her.
And the only relief that I would ever get is if I actually put my finger on my carotid to stop the noise.
A brain MRI and CT scans revealed a narrowing of the artery in Pulciani's brain and a tiny aneurysm. She was ultimately diagnosed with an uncommon version of tinnitus called pulsatile tinnitus.
If that narrowed segment is very close to the base of skull, that noise can get transmitted to our ears.
Dr. Ali Shaybani is an interventional neuroradiologist at Northwestern Medicine. He says once dangerous causes are ruled out, the main driver for surgery is the patient's quality of life. For Pulciani, there was a clear tipping point.
One night around probably 2 or 3 in the morning, I could not sleep. The noise literally kept me up the entire night. And I charted Dr. Shabani that night and I said, when is the next surgery date?
She had surgery last November, going in through the groin to place 2 stents in her brain.
It relieves the narrowing, so it takes away that part of the equation that creates this whistling or whooshing noise.
Honestly, the noise was gone the minute I woke up from surgery. It was almost like getting my life back again.
Pulciani will remain on blood thinners for another 6 months and will have follow-ups to make sure the stents are working. Michael George, CBS News.